Hey guys, Josh from Easy-Kleen. Today we're here with one of our Grizzly fill and plays. The machine in the video today is a 6-gallon minute, 3,500 PSI. Features our 600,000 B2 boiler. Nice little feature on top of our boiler there is our rain cap. You don't have to worry about anything getting down on the top of your coil. It's well protected. Our 24 horsepower Honda, a general pump. We have a 525 gallon water tank on this one. The customer purchased our steam kit here, so you'll see we have 2 hose reels, 100 feet of high pressure hose, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 feet of steam, 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on what your application is. As you see, we have our forklift pockets here. We have lifting eyes on the inside here, so this will be either loaded onto a trailer, back of a flat deck truck, or moved around on the job site with a fork truck. We have our bypass rigged up to go back into the tank, so when the operator releases that gun, it'll bypass the water back into the tank. That way you're not going to overheat your seals packings. If it's 20 minutes before you pick that wand up, you're not going to damage your pump at all. It'll look after itself. 2-inch dump valve on here. This one here is a 120 volt burner on here, so integrated in the chassis of the machine here. We actually have a generator on this one. We have our 20-gallon fuel tank, diesel tank, and we have our 10-gallon gas tank up here. This has been sold to a company in BC, big construction company out there, so they'll be using this for cleaning their equipment off. They ended up going with a combination unit here, so one for deep high pressure cleaning, the other one for steam and sensitive areas like rads, doing engine sensors, electric motors and stuff like that. I'm very pleased to get this one heading to BC before Christmas.
If you have any needs, give us a call today at 1-800-315-5533.